Cleaning and hygiene products
play an essential role
in everyday life across Europe.
They help keep our homes
and shared spaces clean,
safe and pleasant to use.
They clean and delight, creating fresh, comfortable spaces,
giving people confidence
in the clothes they wear,
the surfaces they touch and the places they visit.
They disinfect,
helping to reduce the spread of
harmful bacteria, viruses and fungi,
and especially
in healthcare settings,
food preparation areas,
and busy public environments.
They protect, maintaining materials,
extending the life of products
and infrastructure,
supporting public health,
and strengthening Europe's resilience.
We enable cleaner, healthier,
more comfortable
and resilient living
through innovative
and sustainable
Solutions.
We are
Detergents Europe.